In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok video from private to public. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and now get in your profile. So, to open up your private video section, all you have to do is hit on that lock icon and there would be the list of all your private videos. So now I got there one and I can open it up, and now in order to make that video public, all I have to do is hit on that three dots icon and there scroll until I find that privacy settings. Now hit on them and there hit on who can watch this video. As you can see, this option now set to only me. That basically means that this video is private, and to make it public, all I have to do is set this option to everyone, and now I can close it, I can go back. Now this video disappeared from here and I can refresh that page and check. Here it is on that position. This video has been appeared right there. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.